Hi, I welcome you to my channel, and today I will be teaching you the names of some domestic animals and birds in Ewe. Stay tuned. Please do subscribe to my channel, like this video, share and comment whatever you want to know in the Ewe language, and I'll be glad to teach you. Thank you. Tonya Vaumo do zona ovanya YouTube ya valaji egbala mafion alesi mie yu ahe adouple la adouple nukola ovama. Ayata mada kuku subscribe. Ay na like video na namaka na amekple amagado akpe. Mi agada egbafe no sosroma. Goats in Ewe is bon. Goats bon. Nanny, that's the female goat. Bono, nanny, bono. Buck or Billy, the male goat. Bon chu, the male goat. Sheep or Ewe, Allen. Sheep, Allen. Ram, Agbo. Cat, Daddy. Rabbit for Mizzy. Camel, Boso. Horse, so. Donkey, Teji. Pig, ha. Dog, avu. Cow, nyi. Fowl, koklo. Hen, koklo no. Cock, koklo tun. Guinea fowl, chahe. Duck, pakpahe. Dove, ahone or ahone. Turkey, doku. Parrot, ako. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, and anything that you want to know in Ewe, please comment and I will be glad to teach you. Thank you.